how does it work? SoftWave's acoustic parallel waves activate cellular receptors, initiating the body's own natural biologic healing response, non-invasively and without drugs or injections for pain. This process is called mechanotransduction. Mechanotransduction reported benefits include angiogenesis, the recruitment of stem cells and activation of resident stem cells, and an increase of production of proteins, and increases cellular permeability, resulting in the release of exosomes and the shedding of microvesicles into the extracellular space, signaling the body's natural regenerative processes. This also limits the response to the targeted inflamed or ischemic tissue. The tissue's natural immune response is also activated, and proteins like interleukins and other cytokines begin exiting the bloodstream and make their way to the affected area. This ensures a more efficient and targeted response, limited to the inflamed or ischemic tissue. SoftWave is the only device that utilizes patented, parabolically focused shock waves to effectively treat pain. This technology generates electrohydraulic parallel acoustic waves that provide the largest diagnostic and therapeutic treatment zone. Fast treatment time with immediate patient feedback and improvement. SoftWave technology is validated in hundreds of international publications, holds dozens of patents, and is used by leading national and international research and medical centers, as well as major sports team physicians, from NFL, NBA, MLB, and other national sports organizations. Non-invasive, cost-effective, world's best pain therapy, and get them back to living their best life.